Hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Breaking Ground and I am Hina Gambhir. And viewers, as this high-octane battle for the national capital enters its final leg, we are now seeing war over Yamuna. The political fight in Delhi has literally taken a poisonous turn after Arvind Kejriwal's sensational attack that Haryana tried to poison Delhi's Yamuna water. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has torn into the Aam Aadmi Party, leading a frontal attack on Arvind Kejriwal and his party, the Aam Aadmi Party. Prime Minister Modi, viewers, has accused Arvind Kejriwal of pitting Indians against Indians. The Prime Minister, while campaigning for Delhi today, accused the Aam Aadmi Party of not only insulting the people of Delhi, but the entire nation. Listen in to what exactly the Prime Minister said.
दिल्ली के एक पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री ने हरियाणा के लोगों पर घिनौने आरोप लगा दिए हैं। हार के डर से आपदा वाले बौखला गए हैं। आप बताइए, हरियाणा के लोग दिल्ली से अलग है क्या? क्या हरियाणा वालों के परिवार, बाल बच्चे, नाते रिश्तेदार दिल्ली में नहीं रहते क्या? क्या हरियाणा के लोग अपने ही बच्चों के पानी में जहर मिला सकते हैं क्या? हरियाणा का भेजा यही पानी दिल्ली में रहने वाला हर कोई पीता है। पिछले 11 साल से ये प्रधानमंत्री भी वही पानी पीता है। हरियाणा का भेजा यही पानी दिल्ली में रहने वाले हमारे सारे न्यायाधीश, सारे न्यायमूर्ति, सभी हमारे सम्मानित सदस्य भी पीते हैं। जो विदेश की एम्बेसियां हैं, दुनिया की एम्बेसियां हैं, वो भी वही पानी पीते हैं। गरीब के घर के आसपास भी वही पानी होता है।
Niyamika, my colleague, is now joining us live for more on this. I drink the same water. That was the response of Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Aam Aadmi Party's toxic Yamuna charge, and the way specifically Haryana has been questioned and has been blamed for rise in toxicity in the Yamuna river.
Well, indeed, the politics related to the Yamuna water is intensifying day by day. As yesterday also we have seen that how both the BJP as well as the Congress party had slammed the Aam Aadmi Party for making these kinds of remarks, as it was being claimed by the Aam Aadmi Party that the Yamuna water has been poisoned by the Haryana government, and that is the only reason why today also it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who has also slammed the Aam Aadmi Party's top leadership, including Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and the Chief Minister Atishi, for making such kind of remarks. As the Prime Minister has also mentioned that how he also drinks the same water as the politics which is erupting over this entire issue. Both the BJP and the Congress party had made a complaint to the Election Commission of India in this entire issue, and in fact it is also being demanded that if the Kejriwal and Atishi would not be able to prove all these claims, all these allegations which they have leveled against the Haryana government, then there should be an action.
I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to stay on with us. We have Ajay Alok joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. Clearly, the toxicity level in Yamuna River is a big issue. First, it was Arvind Kejriwal of the Aam Aadmi Party that blamed Haryana, and now Prime Minister Narendra Modi is saying that even he drinks the same water. Your first reaction?
See, this Kejriwal or Kaptiwal, whatever we call him, he is just trying to create frictions. It's a direct attack on the federal system of this country when a former CM accuses another state of mixing poison in water. I mean, can you imagine the level of degradation he has? I mean, is he worth being in Indian politics? All these are questions. And Haryana Chief Minister has clearly stated that if he doesn't clarify his position, he is going to lodge an FIR and file a defamation suit against Kejriwal and Apichi. This is ridiculous. ये मतलब घृणित है ये अव्यवस्था फैलाने में और लोगों को दहशत फैलाने के लिए ये किया गया है. I mean, just if you see you're losing election, you can say anything.
Okay, so you see it as a sign of desperation by the ruling party in the national capital as we enter the last leg of the campaign before February 5th?
It's not desperation, it's heights of desperation. This cannot be anything more than this. And just imagine, day before yesterday, he has spoken this, and since after that, he's just keeping mum. He's not replying to any of the questions because now he's scared that he's going to be lodged in jail for this. This is nothing. This is attempt. It's abatement to terrorism, nothing else.
All right. Ajay Alok, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. We also have a reaction coming in from Shehzad Poonawalla of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Listen into what he said.
अरविंद केजरीवाल की शूट एंड स्कूट हिट एंड रन की पॉलिटिक्स का दी एंड होने वाला है, क्योंकि जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने हरियाणा और हरियाणा के लोगों के ऊपर एक घिनौना आरोप लगाया कि वो वाटर टेररिज्म कर रहे हैं, कि उन्होंने पानी में जहर मिला दिया है. दरअसल अरविंद केजरीवाल की वाणी में जो जहर है, अब उसका दी एंड होने वाला है, क्योंकि ईसी ने उनको 29 जनवरी 8 बजे तक प्रूफ देने के लिए कहा है कि ये सारे जो चार्जेस उन्होंने लगाए उसका प्रूफ दे.
And Huda Zarida of the Aam Aadmi Party is joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. On this toxic Yamuna charge by Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal specifically, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has responded a short while ago and he says he drinks the same water. Okay, I think we've lost that connection. We'll try and reconnect and get you a reaction from the Aam Aadmi Party as well. But clearly, this is now the big flashpoint between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, the toxic Yamuna charge. Huda is back with us. Your first reaction to what the Prime Minister has to say on the toxic Yamuna charge by Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. He says, I drink the same water. And this is an attempt by the Aam Aadmi Party to divide people.
Well, good afternoon to all the viewers. Modi ji knows that he is not going to win Delhi elections. There's absolutely no way that the BJP can come back to power in Delhi. They've been losing the elections for way too long now. 10 years of Sheila Dikshit ji, 15 years of Sheila Dikshit ji, and now 10 years of Arvind Kejriwal ji. And then after 15 years of being in the MCD, it's back with the Aam Aadmi Party, in the local body as well. So Modi ji is doing what he actually typically does, which is resorting to hate politics, which is resorting to, politics of division, politics of, actually talking about everything but actual issues. Why doesn't Modi ji talk about the work that is done in Delhi and all of what is not done in the states ruled by the BJP? He talks about the Yamuna River. We all know that Ganga ke naam pe, there's the kind of corruption that has been done. There's absolutely, the Clean Ganga, if you remember the campaign that went on, there was so much amount that was actually put into the pockets of the BJP leaders. Why doesn't he talk about that? As far as Yamuna is concerned, and then, we've also seen Adityanath ji giving these statements that, why doesn't Arvind ji take a dubki in the Yamuna River? We have Yamuna in Kashi. We have, the presence of these rivers in Mathura as well.
Right.
Is Adityanath ji going to be able to take a dip in those places? Agreed that the Prayagraj is happening in a big, massive manner, which is a really good thing.
Okay.
But then, can they actually go and take a dip in the Yamuna?
Okay, but Ms. Huda Zarida, BJP is also saying that these kind of charges are being leveled by the Aam Aadmi Party because they say that it's a sign of desperation of the Aam Aadmi Party. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the allegations of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is an insult to the entire country and Delhi will teach Aam Aadmi Party a lesson. Your reaction?
And then Delhi will also be voting back Arvind Kejriwal ji in power. We have seen that for the past 10 years. Arvind Kejriwal ji is going to become the chief minister for the 4th time now. I mean, if you have to take the very first time as well into consideration, He's been the CM 3 times. This is the 4th time now. The BJP is well aware of it. I have been on the ground in the Delhi Chunav for so many days now. The public sentiment is all in favor of Kejriwal ji. It's all the Jharu in power. It's all Aam Aadmi Party back in power. Since the BJP cannot actually talk about work, and we know there are 7 elected Lok Sabha representatives from the BJP that have never been on the ground, that have done nothing for the Janta of Delhi, that have actually resorted to, like I said, the divisionary politics, the hatred politics. This Arvind Kejriwal ji and the Aam Aadmi Party is coming back to power in February 2025.
All right, Ms. Huda Zurida, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. So Aam Aadmi Party says it's confident it's going to be back in power in the national capital after the voting happens on 5th of February. But viewers, today Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted that Arvind Kejriwal's recent allegations on toxic Yamuna were not only an insult to Haryana but the entire country. Listen into what exactly he said.
दिल्ली के एक पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री ने हरियाणा के लोगों पर घिनौने आरोप लगा दिए हैं। हार के डर से आपदा वाले बौखला गए हैं। आप बताइए, हरियाणा के लोग दिल्ली से अलग है क्या? हरियाणा का भेजा यही पानी दिल्ली में रहने वाला हर कोई पीता है। पिछले 11 साल से ये प्रधानमंत्री भी वही पानी पीता है।
Now viewers, as Aam Aadmi Party versus BJP face-off intensifies over Arvind Kejriwal's sensational charge that Haryana government poisoned the Yamuna water supply to Delhi, the Election Commission has shot a letter to former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, asking him to furnish proof to substantiate these serious and grave allegations. The poll body has asked Arvind Kejriwal to submit his response. In fact, he was given time as well. The Election Commission also cited various judicial pronouncements and legal provisions that can lead up to 3 years of imprisonment for mischievous statements against national integration and public harmony. EC's letter to Arvind Kejriwal came after Bharatiya Janata Party's delegation comprising Union Ministers Nirmala Sitharaman and Bhupendra Yadav along with Haryana Chief Minister met the poll body and requested the poll body to ask Arvind Kejriwal to apologize for creating panic among people. They also demanded legal action against him.
अरविंद केजरीवाल पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री रहे, वो इस तरीके का बयान देते हैं कि यमुना के पानी में जहर मिलाया गया है, जबकि जल बोर्ड ने इसको नकार दिया।
देखिए, इन पर किसी को भरोसा नहीं है, इनके बयान को कोई सच नहीं मानता।
It is a very dangerous statement. It is dangerous for all of us. It is dangerous for India's federal structure and the electoral politics. But it is not dangerous for him, who is a self-proclaimed anarchist. But the statement that he made has actually brought in fear in the minds of the public in Delhi. There cannot be a more irresponsible statement made by somebody who held the position of Chief Minister till recently against another Chief Minister from Haryana. Shri Saini, the Chief Minister of Haryana, also explained to the Election Commission as to how it has hurt him. He couldn't sleep because of the kind of insinuation. It's an insult to the entire people of Haryana.
So you saw, viewers, the kind of reactions we have got from both the sides here. And as we are inching closer to 5th of February, the polling date, the Haryana-Delhi dispute over Yamuna River has come to the fore once again, with the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal accusing the BJP Haryana government of poisoning the river. Listen in to this reaction that we got from Arvind Kejriwal and then how Nayab Singh Saini, the Haryana chief minister, responded.
चुनाव में संभावित हार को देखते हुए वे अपना मानसिक संतुलन खो चुके हैं, क्योंकि मानसिक रूप से संतुलित व्यक्ति ऐसा बयान नहीं दे सकता। केजरीवाल दिल्ली के लिए आपदा बन चुके हैं और विधानसभा चुनाव में दिल्ली वासियों के आशीर्वाद से भाजपा दिल्ली को इस आपदा से मुक्ति दिलाने जा रही है। इस सरासर झूठे और घटिया बयान के लिए वो हरियाणा और दिल्ली की जनता से तुरंत माफी मांगे, वरना हम उसके खिलाफ मानहानि का दावा करेंगे।
सैनी साहब, वो राजनीति ना करें, पानी के ऊपर राजनीति मत करो, पाप चढ़ेगा तुमको, लोगों की बद्दुआएं लगेंगी। गंदा पानी, जहर वाला पानी अगर जनता को पिलाओगे, मेरे को डरा रहे हैं केस कर देंगे, कर दो केस। केस करने में कोई कसर छोड़ रखी है तुम लोगों ने? जेल भेज दिया, फांसी पे चढ़ाओगे मेरे को? कर दो केस। तुम जनता को मारोगे क्या? दिल्ली की जनता को तुम जहर का पानी मिलाओगे और केजरीवाल आवाज उठाएगा तो डराओगे कि केस कर देंगे? कर दो केस, लेकिन दिल्ली की जनता को मरने नहीं दूंगा मैं।
So you heard Haryana Chief Minister has now demanded an apology from Arvind Kejriwal, threatening him with a defamation suit if that doesn't happen. So this is the new issue between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. We will slip into another very short break right now. More news and updates on the other side. Don't go anywhere.